In this video, we will learn how you can download the Red Magic app on all types of Android phones. First, open Chrome and type Red Magic APK. Then tap on the first link. Scroll down and tap on Download. Wait for it to finish downloading. Then install the Red Magic APK. Next, go to the Play Store, search for Activity Launcher, and install it. Open Activity Launcher and type GameSpace without space. Then tap on GameSpace. Select the first GameSpace service, scroll down, and tap on Create Shortcut. Now open GameSpace. As you can see, the Red Magic GameSpace has been downloaded and is running successfully. That's it for the video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.